is Masha Nuts, and today we're doing a bracelet ASMR video. Okay, in all seriousness, we're not going to be doing this in a whisper because I can't do that. But I am going to do a bracelet ASMR video. In fact, ever since I got this new microphone that I am using, I've been wanting to record some cool sounds that you make while you make a friendship bracelet. So I thought I would do that. I have no idea what this video is going to turn out to be. I'm going to try to capture many different sounds, but we will see how it goes, and I hope you enjoy. From this point on, the video is going to be chill and quiet. I don't know what I'm going to do for the outro yet, but if I do start speaking at a regular volume for the outro, I'll put a warning on screen before I do that. So enjoy. And here we go, this is what the bracelet ended up looking like. I didn't film the entire process of me making the bracelet in this video because the noises of actually creating the bracelet are a bit repetitive and I feel like I already captured a lot of those, but I did actually film the process of me making this bracelet for a separate video, and that will be coming out in a Not With Me, so you can see the time lapse of me creating this entire bracelet, and that's coming out next week, I believe, so there's something to look forward to. I am really happy with this bracelet. I think it turned out super cute, and I'm also really happy with this video. This was a really weird video for me to film, but I had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a comment if you did, by the way. I would love to see your comment on this one because it's so out of my normal video range. It's a bit weird for me, but I would love your comment. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Before I go, I want to give a special shout out to my patrons and especially my top supporters whose names are on screen. Thank you so much for your support. If you too want to become a patron, there's a link in the description for you to do that. And in any case, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!